Previously on Switching Gears.
You need a couple of parts for this. You're going to need a drill, and you're going to be punching into the bumper and to the sides, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You can't really go back once you install this thing. Put the jack stand right underneath, lower it onto the jack stand. I did one, other one here, 3. All right, guys, so we just installed the lip, and this is the version 3 of the side skirts, and I think the version 3, in my opinion, looked the best because of this big fin right here that's going to be on the side back, and these are going to also be fairly simple to install, so let's go ahead and get this done as soon as possible before I start losing light. All right, so we just did the front lip, now we're going to do the side skirts, and the best advice I can give you for these side skirts is to move this jack stand to the lip. There's a lip underneath here that where the jack stand is supposed to go, and that's where you move the jack stand, because this little cutout over here, that's where it goes in flush with that lip, so you almost can't mess it up. All right, so I'm going to start from the back. The back has the same cutout as the front, so I'm going to start from the back. They only give you self-tappers for this because you can't get your hand underneath there. They give you plenty. I believe 14 for each side. I think I'm going to use like 10. I don't see me using 14. It's just too much in my opinion. But we'll see. Take it a step at a time. Get myself set up. Get the slip underneath. Right there. I'm good like that. I'm gonna put one over here. All right. Am I good over there? All right. It was a little tight in the back. To get this drill on there, it was a little bit tight. It's supposed to be like that. It's a little tight. Looks good. Can you hold it right there? Yeah. I need you to hold it right there. All right. Let go. All right, perfect. All right, so I put 2 already just to hold this. And I'm gonna continue putting another one right under here. So that was 3. When you hear that, that means you're good. That was 4. That was 5. So I'm gonna go on the other side and I'm gonna start putting them around that area as well. That was 5, so I have 9 more. You could go through 14 easily on these. Ooh, they look fire. Shit looks stupid. 5 more. Now put like 2 more. 1 here and 1 somewhere over there. Here for sure. All right, the side skirt is done. All right, so we just did the side skirts on the right side, the driver's side, and now we're gonna do the side skirt on the left side. And it's gonna go exactly the same way. 14 to 15 self-tapping screws, get them into the groove. Pretty self-explanatory if you ask me, and so far this looks amazing. Like, just check it out. So far the car's still up, but so far so good. All the way around. I can't wait to see the finished product, to be honest with you, and we're almost out of daylight, but we're gonna keep this thing going. At this point I'm all the way in, so there's no point in stopping this, and I'm definitely not trying to do this tomorrow. I'm trying to do something else tomorrow, so we'll see what it is, and hopefully I'll get it done. I got 1 more side skirt and the diffuser, which I hope is not hard, and that's it. So let's get it. All right, so this is gonna be exactly the same. Now you see this grooves right here? That's exactly where this lip goes right here, and you can't get it wrong. It goes right in there flush. All right, let's get this thing up. You could use another hand, or Use a 3M tape if you want, but having another hand would be the best at this point. Let go. Oh, wait, baby. All right, and that's it. Now just put them all around. That's it. Help a brother up. All right. Only the fire. Let go? No, you don't let go. Okay. What? MC Hammer Daddy. Go ham, go crazy. Like M said, go crazy. Right? God damn, that was too crazy. What's that smell? I guess penetrated freaking carbon fiber has like a distinct smell. This shit ain't going anywhere. Not on Sunday, Jesus' birthday, my birthday. Help a brother up.
Damn, bro, your hands are not dirty.
Help a brother up. The hell up. He's talking about my hands being mad dirty. Nah, bro, your hands are mad dirty. What you mean? Yo, my neighbor is a G, bro. Fuck out of here. Yo, my neighbor is a G, kid. You don't know. Yo, my man is bouncing.